Cheers.
Konnichiwa. この人はコロタ。このしかスポンサーしていません。今日のスポンサーはヤクルトです。よろしくお願いします。Konnichiwa minasan. My name is Ace Twason from BSIT-1B. So my teacher said that we are only allowed to speak English, both formal and informal. So I have no choice but to speak English in this video. Oh, wait. Ma'am, pwede mag-Tagalog dun sa Unique Vlog. Ayun, pwede mag-Tagalog, guys, loko. Pwede. Let's go. Ito na. Nababaliw na ako. So according to ma'am, gagawa daw ng vlogging sa informal video namin. Pero dahil di ako marunong mag-vlog, well, ganito na lang gagawin ko. Wait, sabi dito unique vlogging. Ano ba yung vlogging? Okay na to. Okay na to. Bahala na. Wala akong alam dyan. Okay na yan. So, according to ma'am, may daw kami gagawin na para questions. So, yun na. Simulan ko na yung mga question.
Super Hyper Ultra Ultimate Deluxe Perfect Amazing Strong Cute Beautiful Galaxy Baby Mugen Muteki Musonetsu.
Why did I choose this course? Well, BSIT is not my first choice. It's BMMA. Kaso yung BMMA dun sa school is puro drawing. Kaya nag-BSIT na ako. I chose BSIT because I already have experience in coding and programming. Coding and programming? Pares ba yun? Ewan ko na dyan. Bahala na. What is my academic or career goals? Matulog. Tapos magloto. Ayun. I mean, since we're now getting older, I've been focusing academic because of anime, friends, and families. They are the one that guide me in still going on school. That's why I'm focusing on academic. Tama ba pagka-English ko? What I hope to learn or gain from this course. Since BSIT is focused on programming and coding, yan na naman tayo. So I hope that it will give me guide in making codes and applications. Tsaka gumawa ng tayo na. Tsaka gumawa ng virus. Joke lang. What motivates you to succeed in this course? Mga kaibigan ko. Makingan mo ang Also, my family, when I was a child, I always focused on computer. Then, I learned so much about computers. That's why I become a tech support in the house.
Yes, I'm redeeming the car. I'm redeeming the cards. Okay?
No!
Yeah.
No!
But when I become older, when I was on grade 11, I made a short film and got 20k viewers there. I was been dreamed to be a director, but in the same time, I also want to be a IT person. Yeah, that's it. So that is my unique vlog in Utinix. Ma'am, matino to, ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, sana po mataas sa grade, ma'am.